so this is unboxing of the Dehumidifier 10 liter 120 pounds from B&Q. So we just pick it up, and yeah, we are gonna unbox it for you in case you are planning or looking to buy a dehumidifier. So it's really good for the molds, and apparently for dry, it will help when drying the clothing. So we will see what are the settings. So we already got 2 dehumidifier, 2 small one 1 liter and one 750 ml. So this is our biggest, first ever. But you know what, guys, hubby said the small one, that he bought that one a couple of years ago, and now they cost 50 pounds, you said, love. So yeah, so I think it's good to get the, here it is. Okay guys, so I was looking at the, it comes with the thing, instructions. It looks cute. Oh, handle, yeah. Oh. Oh my god. So okay, and that's,
so I'm guessing that's the water. It must be the water thing because it's got a float switch on it.
I think you
Got the water thing. So float. So when it gets too full, it turns off. Time function.
power. So guys, it says here 20 meter, is it a meter? 10 liter a day maximum. What's the 2 liter? Ah, on the drop, I don't know, on that thingy, I think, where it drops. 280 watt, 48 cm by 18.5 by 27.6 cm, and 24 hours. Okay, digital screen on top, which is the one. What else it says here? There.
Oh, that's what you empty the water.
Oh, here, this. Oh, what goes in here?
That's the thingy.
Oh, this one is 10 liter.
No, that's 2 litre.
And then why is saying 10 liter then?
Because it'll do 10 litres a day.
Oh, so this is 2 liter. I was wondering what are they talking about. 10 liter and then, okay. Okay, love, I get it now. Oh, it's like an aircon. Alright. Okay, guys, so
One eternity later.
guys, how many hours now? So that hubby said that's the humidity. So we're going, hubby will
You can set it.
yeah.
That's constant. It's 30%, 35. You can set what humidity you want and it will turn itself off.
Okay. So did you set it? The 75?
I set it
75?
to 30.
And then
So we'll continue going until it's at 30.
okay.
It's at 70. It's got time now. hours, I think.
Oh,
So what's it been on?
from 3 o'clock. No, from 2. Yeah, from 2. So that's how much, guy. How much is that, Lovey? Half a
Litre, innit?
Oh my god. No, because this is the 10 liter.
No, it's not, no.
The whole thing. The whole thing is 10 liter?
No.
What
We
then?
discussed this earlier.
Okay, so how...
It's 2 litres.
2 liter. Okay, this is a bit... This is like nearly half. Isn't it, Lovey?
And it only measured up to here because
So that's a liter.
it's a litre.
My God. So it's now 7 o'clock. So 5 hours. And imagine if it's all night. Yeah, guys. So
We have to replace that.
yeah. So that's that. We will empty it for the overnight. Guys, thank you for watching. Comment down below if you have a dehumidifier and where did you buy it and how big. So we have other 2 small ones. And I'll show you now, guys. I will show you now. Here's the small one we have, guys. This is Noah's room. And it's husband bote. Masabin, Dad? Yung masabin bote 20 quid.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
And it was on sale. And now, husband look, because he was looking for some more dehumidifier. And in this one is how much now, love?
I think 50.
50 quid now, guys. So instead of buying the small one, he just bought the 120 instead. Because he was about to buy a small one again. So that's where you... Oh, no. Okay. Oh. Yeah. So you see, guys. And then, so this is our second one. But the first ever dehumidifier that we bought, this is only 2 years old. So guys, this is the 750 ml. The other one I showed you is 1 liter. The other small one I showed you. So, wait a minute. Can you see, guys, the buo? There, that's the buo. So it's been on. Yeah. There. So you see? And that's the water there. There. Yeah, this is definitely way smaller. So on and off. Yeah, definitely this is way smaller. So we just empty that. Yeah, like that, guys. So that's how it looks like. Really cute. Super duper small.